long before modern cities and global trade. There was a people known for their strength, unity, and enterprise. The Igbo life moved with a special rhythm. Not 7 days, but 4 market days. Ike Ek Isori, Afro Nkwo. Each day, markets came alive with trade, laughter, and community. A society of wisdom. Igbo communities had no single king. Instead, elders and title holders guided the people with wisdom and tradition. Do you know then? Young Igbo boys learned success through the apprenticeship system. A powerful tradition where mentors train youths in trade and business. Igbo language is rich with many dialects. Long ago, people also communicated through NCBD, ancient symbols carrying deep meaning. How about Igbo culture and style? Culture shines through clothing. Men proudly wear the Isiagu, lion head top, while women wear beautiful blouses with 2 wrappers. Traditional Igbo belief or Dinani recognizes a supreme creator, Chukwu or Chineke, so the source of life. In Igbo, do you know marriage is more than 2 people? It is a union of families celebrated with rich traditional ceremonies. Above all is respect. In Igbo culture, elders are deeply respected. They are the keepers of wisdom, history, and tradition. Then, a culture of hard work, unity, and deep tradition. This is the story of the Igbo people. Did you learn something new today? Drop a comment, share to your story, so more people learn about Igbo culture.